Hello dear children, welcome to the class. Now in today's class, we are going to solve certain queries of our students. We have received queries from the chapter Accounting for Partnership Firm Fundamentals, and these questions are based on preparation of profit and loss appropriation account. The first question for the day we have taken from the book Double Entry Bookkeeping Accounting for Partnership Firm, Chapter 2, Fundamentals, question number 46. Now the question says that there are two partners, Sajal and Kajal. They are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1. On 1st April 2020, their capitals are given: Sajal 5 lakh, Kajal 4 lakh. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account, partners capital account at the end of the year from the following information. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल टू बी गिवन टू द पार्टनर्स एट द रेट ऑफ 5% पर एनम. अब आप देखिए बेटा, क्वेश्चन में ओपनिंग कैपिटल दी हुई है और हम इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल कैलकुलेट करेंगे एट द रेट ऑफ 5% पर एनम. इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन advanced by Kajal for the whole year, the amount of loan being 3 lakh. Interest on partners drawing at the rate of 6% per annum. Drawings of Sajal rupees 1 lakh, Kajal 80,000, and 10% of the divisible profit is to be transferred to general reserve. Profit before giving the effect of the above for the year ended 31st of March 2021 was 7 lakh 2,600. Now we have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account and your partner's capital account. Now let's start with the solution of this problem. The net profit which is given to us in the question is, this profit is transferred from profit and loss account and the amount is 7 lakh 2,600. 7 lakh 2,600. Then interest on capital is to be allowed at the rate of 5% per annum. And see, in the question, the opening capital is given. So, 2 interest on capital. Interest on capital is going to be shown on the debit side of P&L appropriation account. 2 partners Sajal. Sajal की capital है बेटा 5 lakh. 5 lakh पे 5%. 5 lakh पे 5% will be 25,000. काजल की कैपिटल है बेटा 4 lakh. 4 lakh पे 5%. The amount is 20,000. So total interest on capital is 45,000. Then interest on loan advanced by Kajal for the whole year amount. The amount of loan is given to us as 3 lakh. So since this interest on loan is a charge against profit, so let us write this figure of net profit in the internal column, and from this we are going to subtract less interest on partner's loan, interest on Kajal's loan. Loan provided is of rupees 3 lakh. 3 lakh पे बेटा interest is to be provided for the whole year at the rate of 6%, and this amount is 18,000. Now if we subtract 18,000 from 7 lakh 2,600, we'll get 6,84,600. After subtracting the interest on partner's loan from the figure of net profit, we'll get 6,84,600 as interest on partner's loan is a charge against profit. Next is interest on partner's drawing. So by interest on drawings, क्योंकि partners interest देते हैं firm को on their drawings, so the available profit of the firm increases. That is why interest on drawings is credited to profit and loss appropriation account. सजल की ड्राइंग हमें दे रखी है इस क्वेश्चन में 1 लाख। 1 lakh में बेटा interest on drawing is at the rate of 6% per annum, and since no time period is given, so we are going to take it on an average basis of 6 months. So if I'm going to solve it, I'll get this amount as 3,000. Then for Kajal, your drawings are 80,000. 80,000 pay, again 6% for 6 months. So if we solve this, we are going to get the figure of 8 3s are 24, 2400. Then this says the last is that 10% of the divisible profit is to be transferred to general reserve. Now how we are going to arrive at the figure of divisible profit? See, we are going to take the sum total of all the items of the credit side. I get 6,90,000. अब बेटा 6,90,000 में से अगर मैं 45,000 सब्ट्रैक्ट करूं तो मेरा डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट निकल आता है। एंड इफ आई सब्ट्रैक्ट, सी 6,90,000 इज द टोटल ऑफ द क्रेडिट साइड, उसमें से मैंने टोटल ऑफ डेबिट साइड को सब्ट्रैक्ट किया 45,000, आई गेट 6,45,000 which is the net divisible profit. This is not net divisible profit, this is just divisible profit. नेट तो बेटा जब सारी चीजें सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तब आएगा। दिस इज माय डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट। अब इसका वो क्या कह रहे हैं, इसका हम 10% जनरल रिजर्व, जब सारी चीजें सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं ना बेटा, तो मेरे पास जो फिगर आती है दैट इज डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट। इसका 10% क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से व्हाट वी नीड टू डू इज वी हैव टू क्रिएट अ जनरल रिजर्व। सो 10% ऑफ 6,45,000 is 64,500. So 64,500 will be the figure for your general reserve, which we are going to appropriate from the profits. So to general reserve, then after subtracting general reserve, we are going to get the net divisible profit. So the net divisible profit of the firm to be shared between the partners in their profit sharing ratio will be, now see we are going to do the calculations. See total divisible profit मेरा आया था 6,45,000 का, इसमें से अगर मैं 64,500 सब्ट्रैक्ट करती हूँ तो I will be getting net divisible profit, and the amount of net divisible profit is 5,80,500. So this 5,80,500 is going to be divided between the partners in the ratio of 2:1. Fine. So if I'm going to divide this in the ratio of 2:1, then Sajal and Kajal are going to get the share of net divisible profit as Sajal's share will be 3,87,000 and Kajal's share will be 1,93,500. हमने कैसे निकाला बेटा, एक बार दोबारा बता देती हूँ। हमारा टोटल नेट डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट 5 लाख, लेट मी शो द वर्किंग ओवर हियर। हमारा नेट डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट आ रहा था 5,80,500। अगर हम इसका 2/3 शेयर निकालेंगे तो सजल का प्रॉफिट आ जाएगा 3,87,000, और अगर हम इस नेट डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट का 1/3 शेयर निकालेंगे which is 1,93,500. So with this our P&L appropriation account is complete. Now in the question they have asked to prepare your partner's capital account. Now see, partners capital account, it's very easy. What we are going to do is we are going to credit interest on capital 25,000 and 20,000 respectively in the partners capital account, and debit interest on drawings 3,000 and 2,400 in the partners capital account. बेटा ये दो ये आपका इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल पार्टनर्स के कैपिटल अकाउंट में क्रेडिट होगा और इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स आपके पार्टनर्स के कैपिटल अकाउंट में डेबिट होगा. Fine. And then we just prepare the partners capital account like. So just to give you a brief idea, first is we will transfer the balance of the capital accounts of the partners. See, I am not preparing the capital account, but just to give you the idea, this is the credit side and this is the debit side of the partners capital account. So when balance is transferred, it is transferred on the credit side. We have got 5 lakh capital of Sajal and 4 lakh capital of Kajal. ठीक है बेटा, फिर हमने इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल दिया था. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल से पार्टनर्स के कैपिटल अकाउंट क्रेडिट हो जाती है क्योंकि फर्म पार्टनर को देती है. सजल का था 25,000, काजल का था 20,000, क्रेडिट साइड पे जाएगा. फिर जो हमारा नेट डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट आया था वो भी पार्टनर्स के कैपिटल अकाउंट में नेट प्रॉफिट transferred from your P&L appropriation account, or rather net divisible profit, P&L appropriation account, and the amount was 3,87,000, and Kajal's amount was 1,93,500. Fine. Then interest on drawings से partners के capital account debit हो जाते हैं because interest on drawing is charged from the partners and the amount was 3,000 and 2,400. Now, if we are going to subtract the sum total of the credit side of the partners capital account, if you subtract the 3,000 from the sum total of this credit side of partners capital account, see the total is, so the total of 5,25,000 and 3,87,000, the total is 9,12,000. Now if we subtract interest on drawings, and one thing more, partners had a drawings of Sajal 8 lakh, no 1 lakh, and Kajal की drawing है 80,000. Drawings will be debited in the capital accounts of the partners. Now, if we subtract 1,03,000 from 9,12,000, we are going to get the balancing figure. So balance close down of the capital account of Sajal will be 8,09,000. 8,09,000. Fine. So capital account of Sajal is complete. If we take the sum total of the credit side of Kajal's capital account, we get 6,13,500. And from the 6,13,500, if I'm going to subtract 82,400, I'm going to get the balancing figure as 5,31,100. So this is the balance close down of both the partners, and hence the capital accounts are complete. The next query is question number 48. Now question number 48 says that there are 3 partners A, B and C, and their capital accounts are given 50,000, 50,000 and 1 lakh respectively. Their current account balances are also given. A 10,000, B 5,000 and C 2,000 debit balance. बेटा इसका डेबिट बैलेंस का मतलब है कि नेगेटिव बैलेंस दिया हुआ है. C का, according to partnership deed, the partners are entitled to interest on capital at the rate of 10% per annum. Interest on capital दिया जाएगा. C working partner है and was entitled to a salary of rupees 12,000 per annum. और जो profit है, that is to be divided in the following way. First 20,000 in the proportion of their capital, और proportion of their capital क्या है बेटा? 50,000, 50,000, 1 lakh. That means 1:1:2. Fine. So first 20,000 is to be divided in the ratio of 1:1:2. Next 30,000 is to be divided in the ratio of 5:3:2. And the remaining profit, अगर और कोई profit बच जाता है इसके अलावा 50,000 से ऊपर का जो profit आएगा, that is to be shared equally. The firm earned a net profit of 1,72,000. Before charging any of the above item, we have to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account and pass the necessary journal entries for the appropriations of profits. Let's start with the solution of this problem. Now, the net profit, which is given to us in the question, which we have taken from your profit and loss account, is by net profit 1,72,000. 1,72,000. Then interest on capital is to be allowed at the rate of 10%. So 2 interest on capital. 2 interest on capital. And for A, see, interest is to be provided on the fixed capital. Question में fixed capital A की 50,000 है. 50,000 पे 10%. Fine. 50,000 पे बेटा 10% आपका interest on capital निकला 5,000. Fine. Similarly, for B, interest on capital is 5,000. And for C, his fixed capital was 1 lakh. And 1 lakh पे 10% is 10,000. So total interest on capital is 20,000. Then it says that C being the working partner, he is eligible to get the salary. So salary to C, and he is eligible to get the salary as 12,000 per annum. So we are going to write 12,000 as it is. Fine. Then the net divisible profit will be, see, from 1 lakh, from 1,72,000, if I'm going to subtract, let's show the working over here, then we'll rub it. If I'll subtract 32,000, the sum total is 32,000 of the debit side, I will get the net divisible profit as 1,40,000. Fine, 1,40,000. Now let us see how this profit is distributed between the partners. We said that first 20,000, जो first 20,000 है बेटा, इसमें से हमने distribute करना है in the ratio of the capital of the partners, and this is to be distributed, let us say, in the ratio of 1:1:2. Fine. So to net divisible profit transferred between among the capital accounts or to the capital accounts of the partners are A, B and C. For A, 20,000 का बेटा 1, अगर हम निकालें तो ये आ जाएगा 20,000 का 1/4. So 20,000 का 1/4 is 5,000. Then B will also get 5,000. And C will get 10,000 in the ratio of their capital. Now the next 30,000. Now if we subtract 20,000, from 1,40,000, we are left with the profit to be distributed among the partners as 1,20,000. अब बेटा 1,20,000 में से क्वेश्चन कह रहा है जो next 30,000 है, this 30,000 we are going to distribute in the ratio of 5:3:2. That means 30,000 का अगर हम निकालते हैं 5/10 शेयर, so this is 15,000. So A will get 15,000. Then B will get 3/10 share, which is equal to 9,000. And C will get 2/10 share of 30,000, which is equal to 6,000. Now the remaining profit. What is the remaining profit now? See, if I'm going to subtract 30,000 from 1,20,000, I will be getting 90,000. Remaining profit 90,000 है. It is to be shared equally. Question कह रहा है कि आप 90,000 को equally share कराओ इस profit को. So 90,000 का 1/3 will be 30,000. So plus 30,000 share of profit distributed among the partners equally. So now A is going to get 30 plus 15 plus 5, which is equal to 50,000. A's share of profit will be 50,000. Then 30 plus 9, 39,000. 39 plus 5 is 44,000. B will get 44,000. 30 plus 10, 40, 40 plus 6, 46,000. So C is going to get 46,000 as the net divisible profit. So this is how our P&L appropriation account is complete. I'm not rubbing the working. You can refer it. Right? But in questions, I'm not having space, तभी मैंने इसको working को यहाँ पे लिखा रहने दिया. Otherwise, you need not have to show this here at this place inside the account. Fine. Now they have asked you to prepare to pass the journal entry. So journal entry, see how we are going to pass. First entry will be your interest on capital account debited to A's current account, B's current account to C's current account. ठीक है, क्योंकि पार्टनर के करंट अकाउंट इनके अंदर ओपन है तो एप्रोप्रिएशंस आर टू बी गिवन थ्रू करंट अकाउंट. अगर आप रिकॉल करिए हमने एंट्रीज पास करनी सीखी थी. योर फर्स्ट एंट्री विल बी फॉर गिविंग इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल टू द पार्टनर इज इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल account debited to A's current account 5,000, to B's current account 5,000, to C's current account 10,000. And then the second closing entry which will pass will be profit and loss appropriation account debited to interest on capital 20,000. Then next entry, salary account debited to C's current account 12,000. Fourth entry, closing entry, profit and loss appropriation account debited to salary account. Then profit and loss appropriation account debited to A's current account 50,000, B's current account 44,000, C's current account 46,000. This is how the profit is distributed among the partners. And one more entry you can pass, profit and loss account debited to your profit and loss appropriation account. I hope that the solution of both the problems, question number 46 and 48 is clear to everyone. That's all for today from my side. Thank you very much.